Hi, my name is Jamie, and I chose relative age dating for my midterm assignment. So, first of all, what is it? Relative age dating, in its simplest terms, is determining the age of a geological structure by a sequence of events. And there are a few ways geologists determine the age of a geological structure, and we're going to be discussing 5 today. So, superposition, original horizontality, cross-cutting relationships, inclusions, and fossil successions. So, first off, superposition. If layers of rock are undisturbed, then the oldest rocks are at the bottom and the youngest rocks are at the top, and it just looks something like this. Your oldest is going to be 4, and your youngest is going to be 1, just like that. Simple. Next, we are going to talk about original horizontality. So, sedimentary rocks form in horizontal layers, and sedimentary rock is usually formed by water, and water keeps a horizontal level, and it just looks like this. Even with a depression like this photo, the rock still makes horizontal level, like it still keeps that horizontal level as it fills in. They don't tilt as they form. If you ever see rocks that are tilted or bent funny, then they experienced something that caused that after the horizontal layers were made. Okay, next is cross-cutting relationships. Faults or igneous intrusions are younger than the rocks they cut. As an example, you could think about a cut in the sidewalk. The sidewalk had to be there before the crack could form in it. So the rock had to be there before the fault could happen or magma could intrude in them. And just for another example, it looks like this. The layers of rock that you're seeing here had to exist before the magma could be present in them. Inclusions. Rocks containing inclusions of pre-existing rock are younger than the pre-existing rock. So as you can see in this photo, rock A and rock B. So rock B contains some inclusions of rock A. Just like that. Fossil succession is our last one. So fossils occur in a definite chronological order. Each fossil species reflects a unique period of time in Earth's history. So for an example, if you look at this picture, trilobites were very common up until the end of the Paleozoic. There are no trilobites after that in the geological record. After this, you find ammonites, which is a giant snail. If you were to find ammonites in a rock, you would know that it had to be younger than a rock that contained trilobites. And that is relative age dating. So, thank you, and that's it.